What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is MJ, and today is April 28th, 2020. And just now, I just kind of finished listening to Alphabet's, aka Google's, conference call or the first quarter earnings call. And there was a lot that that was talked about, and I just want to focus on this video. I just want to focus on the one aspect of it, which is advertising. So just to overview the rest of the video, it's mostly about Google's budgets, businesses, the AI technology. Kind of, it was sparsely there. YouTube, search engines, Google Cloud, and things like that. So just a brief overview. Google Ads budgets. It came down started going down later March, and business ad budgets went down. YouTube and search went up, of course. Google Cloud also went up, and employment is a slow process. It has gone from a rapid pace to now a slow process, and they say it's a good because it optimizes the employment, or basically it when you have restrictions in employment, it cuts the fat basically. No, okay, so because of this, I thought to myself, I'm just speculating, and you can definitely share your thoughts with me on the comments below. Because of ad revenues or ads with Google, what the economics could possibly be. There's different scenarios. One is Google can potentially raise their prices so they can reel back the losses that they've accrued. That's one. They can raise the prices and ask advertisers more money. Number two, they can lower it to gain advertisers' trust with them again. Maybe like lowball them, because scenario number two could possibly be where businesses would potentially look into other avenues instead of Google. Okay, so hear me on this. So Google will possibly raise their prices, but these advertisers would have other options to have eyeballs on their products through influencers or through other avenues. So, for example, maybe I'm just speculating, indirectly or most likely indirectly with Netflix, they'll probably have more product placements with their shows and things like that. And in lieu of influencers, they'll be more compensated with featuring products, especially TikTok with that girl Charlie. I don't know her name, but she's highly seen with kids and with TikTok users. Said that why not invest on her instead of having Google get advertising eyeballs. So that's one. And also it begs to ask, would these advertisers result to these influencers and lowball them? So that could be a scenario. Yes, you're an influencer, but statistically, only 10% of your audiences are potential buyers or potential consumers. And it's not really strengthening their product. It's strengthening the influencer's name to add on to that scenario. So the economics of advertising could be well beneficial for influencers. Number one, it could for their ability to market these products. Number two, it could be potentially beneficial for Google if advertisers stick with them in the long run. And also number three, potentially advertisers are gonna have a way to see other avenues, other options for advertising. It could be potentially beneficial for them to save more money instead of going to Google, possibly. And these are not new news. Influencers have been an avenue for companies to advertise their products, but there's gonna be some economical possible gains for them, more so, or maybe not. Maybe advertisers are gonna lowball them. Who knows? But if influencers do get more money from these advertisers, now Google has also the ability to charge influencers more than before. I know influencers just would love natural gains from their audiences, but let's be real. Sometimes influencers do use the power of Google to expand their reach. So that's all for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it could be a little confusing, but just a quick view of how Google Ads can affect the economics of advertising. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a like. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm also on Instagram, Marlon J. Manuel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.